Hey there, superstars. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to play Flip It. We have played this in class, but it's been a long time. When we play Flip It, you need two people and a deck of playing cards. My playing cards come in this plastic case, and they've got one of my favorite places in the world on it. Yosemite. Maybe some of you have been there. That's Half Dome in the wintertime. I love Yosemite. I've been all over. Okay, so you need two players and a deck of cards. I'm alone, but that's okay. I can still teach you how to play. The first thing you need to do is you need to take the deck of cards and you need to take out the jokers. A deck of cards has lots of cards in it with numbers and funny shapes. Yeah, we call those suits. All right, so there are jokers. In this deck, they look like this. That's a happy clown jumping around. Sorry, clown, not today. There's usually two. Sometimes there's three. In this deck, there's only two. Now, the next thing you need to do is you need to take out all of the face cards. Those are the jacks, kings, and queens. All right? This is a 6. That can stay. A 5 can stay. 9 can stay. There's another 9, and a 3, and a 5, and a 7, and a 9, and an 8, and a 5, and a 10. Wait a minute. Who's that guy? That's the king. The king needs to go and hang out with the joker. Okay, everybody. All right, the 10 can stay. The queen. There's a Q. There's a Q for queen. The queen needs to go and join the joker and the king. The ace, it's got an A, and there's 1. We're going to call this a 1. Even though there's an A on it, how many big hearts do you see? I see 1 big heart. I'm not going to count these little hearts. Those don't count. And if I look over here at any other card, like a 9, we're only going to count the large shapes. So here's 2 different 9s, but on both of them, I'm only going to count, it's reversed for me, I'm only going to count the large shapes, not the small shapes. So right here, you can see there's small heart. Don't count that one, doesn't count. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I counted the small hearts too, that'd be 9, 10, 11. That doesn't say 11, that says 9. So only count the small shapes you see. All right, I'm going to go through my deck of cards. I'm going to take out all of my face cards. All right, I'm going to go pretty fast here, but I want you to see. Face, face. I'll put all the number cards over here. Number, number, face, number, number, face, number, face, number, face, number, number, face, face, number, 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 number. That's a 1. Number, number. That's a 1. Ooh, that's the big one. Yeah, over here. Number. Which pile does this go in? Quick, help me, help me, help me. Okay, yes, over there. Number, 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 number 10. Ace, but the ace is the 1. It's got 1 big diamond. 8 and a number 4. Okay, so all of these face cards, you're doing a great job, kings and queens and jacks. Excellent work in the kingdom of playing cards, but it's time for you to go. Woo! Hey, Joker. Hey, King. What's going on? Okay, so here's how you play. You're going to need to separate the cards into 2 separate groups. So player 1, that'll be my right hand, gets half of the cards. And player number 2, that'll be my left hand, gets the other half. Sometimes it can be hard to hold a whole deck of cards in your hand, but with practice, going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Here's slow motion. regular speed. And here's speed motion. Oh, see, I went too fast. I almost made a mistake. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready to play? Yes, I'm ready to play. How do you play? Well, I'll teach you. Get your cards nice and organized. Keep them face down. And then you'll say ready, set, go. And when you say go, each player takes the first card at the top of their deck and flips it over. The first person who can put it together. The first person who can add the two cards gets to keep them until the next round. Not forever, because then you wouldn't be able to play the game ever again. All right, so here we go. I'm going to put these back, hide them in the deck. There we go. Ready, set, go. 10, and 1. That's the ace. There's only 1. What's 10 plus 1? If you need to count them, do it. Just touch count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then, here's the trick, everybody. You have to say 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. The first person to say the whole equation gets to take the cards and just put them in a separate pile. Happy pile. Ready, set, go. 6 plus 5. Or you could say 5 plus 6, because it's addition, so you could go either way. 5 plus 6. What is it? If you said 11, good. But if you said 5 plus 6 equals 11, or if you said 6 plus 5 equals 11, then you win. You must say the whole sentence, the whole equation. Okay? Ready, set, go. 4 plus 4. If you said 8, you got it correct. Good job. Ready, set, go. Now maybe the person on this side says, 7 plus 2 equals 5. Wait, what? 7 plus 2 equals 5. And then this person says, 7 plus 2 equals 9. Well, who's correct? We need to count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This person was correct. This person says, ooh, I made a mistake. Let me try that again. 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. But still, this person said it first, so they will get the cards. Ready, set, go. Ooh, what is this one again? It's an A. It's got one big symbol on it. That's 1. So this would be 1 plus 6, or 6 plus 1. Whoever said 7 first, they get the cards. I don't know who it's going to be. Ready, set, go. 8 plus 1 equals 9. All right. Now you got the idea there. Now here's what's neat. What if I put down a 9? And what if I put down a 7? Oh my gosh. This might be a teen number. You need to say 9 plus 7 equals, or 7 plus 9 equals. Let's count it up. Let's start with 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 and 7 are partners that make 16. That's a good way to remember that. 9 and 7 make 16. Now what if, and I'm going to just jump ahead here, find what I'm looking for real quick. What if you get this? Ready, set, go. 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. What is 10 plus 10? 10 plus 10 equals, if you said 20, pat yourself on the back and say, woohoo! Good job. All right. So that is how you play, and you keep playing until all the cards are gone. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. You keep going until all of the cards are gone and you're down to nothing. And then you can play it again. Or if you want to play another game, you can mix in the royal family, the king and the queen and the jack and the jokers. You can mix them back in and play other games with your family. Go Fish is also a really fun game and a great way to learn your deck of cards very quickly. All right, so that's how you play Flip It. Make sure, ooh, that was not a very good shuffle. I'll do that later. Thank you. I hope you play with your family and really work on your partners of numbers up to 20. But today, let's just focus on 11 to 15. All right, have a great day.